I'm here at 385 Blossom Tree, the Larry and Mary Shreff property, getting ready to repair this shingle here. It's got some damage on it. I cannot get to the other side of the roof right now because I forgot my cougar paws. There was also this damage here from this one lifting up and causing that one to rip. It's just a little too far away for me to nail. So I'm just gonna start with this one here. I am in a funky spot. I'm going to do my best that you guys are able to see the video. And you can see the surrounding shingles here. Don't have a lot of anything going on with them. So I'll prop my phone up and let you guys watch. Let's see here. All right, hopefully that holds. All right, our tar seals have popped. Well, I don't know if you saw that happen. I'm trying to just lift the shingle up to see where the nails are, and it ripped up to shred there. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you guys. So that's a high chance of my phone taking a dive off the roof, but caught it. Let's see if maybe I can just with the phone in my hand. Oh. Man, these shingles are so brittle. It's just tearing them up around the nail heads too. Because they're too brittle to even try and work apart. shingles are just getting shredded. This one just got all ripped up around there. Still got that nails in this one that are like not coming on. There you go. I'm just trying to do anything that I can to work this shingle free. I mean, you can't even hardly like find the nails. Still got nails in this thing. Oh my God. I mean, you can't. You gotta lift the shingles up so you can see find the nails, and it's just ripping this. It's just ripping this thing up. It just looks like these shingles are. Whoever roofed them put some like extra high nails in there, which didn't come out. Alright. Oh man. We've got it removed. We've got a huge chunk here, a big chunk there, and we've got that tear up there. You can see we had quite a bit of mat transfer right here. So I'm gonna put the new shingle in now. I got a couple nails I need to remove here at the bottom. I've got my new shingle here. Cutting it real fast. to hold my phone, so that's... God, he's standing still on some stick. You can see that shingle isn't really laying down. That's going to be a lot to do with the brittleness. Shingles have zero pliability left in them. I mean, look, I just pushed it down and that thing doesn't even want to stay down. There. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I guess there wasn't any nails right there, I guess. It's odd. Definitely need one. Look how brittle that shingle is. You can see that one's not staying down at all. This one's still trying to stay up a little bit, but I'm gonna put some caulk down. See what that does. That whole shingle's got to get caulked together basically. It's just shredded. All right, almost done here. I put a lot under that one too, so that should be good. All right. Well, there you have it. There's our attempted repair. So again, we've got some knot transfer that occurred, some tears. You can see some creasing there. So these shingles are extremely brittle. Pretty impossible to do a repair without causing any damage to the surrounding shingles.